Hi my lovelies, the summer is here, which means iced coffee. This recipe is so simple, it takes only 5 minutes. So to start, you're going to need 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, and to that you're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's only if you like your iced coffee sweet. Adjust the sugar to your preference. Add 4 tablespoons of hot water and stir to dissolve. This coffee is a must-have for me during the summer months. It's so refreshing. You're going to love it. While I'm stirring and waiting for this coffee to dissolve, why don't you guys hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new recipes. Now we want to add 1/4 cup of ice water and 3/4 cup of whole milk. You can substitute the whole milk for almond milk, oat milk, or even soy milk. Give it one final stir to make sure it's all mixed in properly. This drink is best served immediately, so get to it. Add 1 cup of ice to the coffee. If you prefer your iced coffee more milky and not too cold, then reduce the amount of ice. Serve and enjoy. If you like this recipe as much as I do, please take the time to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. Much love and have a good one. Bye!